There's a big snag just there, so where you landed, you can see that branch coming out. That's where we'll try and push into once it drops a little bit lower too. Got him.
He fucking nailed it. Look at him. No, he's quite easy. Go on, you're like fuck you, mate. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Nah, you're not easy. That's crap, mate.
Oh, yes. Go on, Bruss. Little...
Oh, he dropped it.
Little bludgers.
Yeah. Oh, that was funny, eh?
Yeah, fucking... You can see why the barras sit up.
Yeah, look at it.
Like they live up in that shit. Especially those little ones.
So much cover, especially for a small barra too, so much cover. I don't know what that is, but that's huge. See it?
Nah, I can't from this angle.
That was massive, holy shit.
You had some big sharks along here.
that was 50. Wow. In the tree and everything. Like, I'd love to see the underwater sort of just like that kind of action. Yeah. What a feel in the Gold Coast. It's a little one. It's a little one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got more small than that big one. I've caught two that probably go 15, 20 centimetres. And I've caught two that are illegal. One that's 57 centimetres. And one of those that's 42 on the dot. Looks a lot bigger.
Achha.
Oh, nice one. That's a barra.
What is it? Feels trevally, you can feel the tail bump.
Yeah, it hasn't come up top yet.
Nah, see, it's a trevally. You can see that thump in his tail.
Yeah.
It's
such a hard fish to bring up because they're such a broad side fish. It's like bringing up a bloody dinner plate.
Come on. Oh, I picked him in the side, that's why it was so hard.
So
Thanks, buds.
if you get through them, a couple of rounds, you get a couple of barrels.
Oh, you cook it. Oh, there's a Queenie. There you go. Hey, chill, man.
Remind me of like a shark.
Yeah.
You want pliers?
Yeah, there's a pair of pliers just there.
He's in there good too.
Yeah.
That's the thing with him, eh? He really fucks their mouth up. I must have a really good recovery, right?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That makes one.
swallowed it.
Did he?
Oh, he choked it.
Up now.
For fuck's sake. I might have to change it so these bastards stop eating it.
They love it, don't they? That one,
As soon as like you get that, you feel that hit, and you're like, yeah, sweet. And then you feel that, and you're like, oh.
Good one, man. This is a good one. I hope he stays on. Put it on a show. Oh, make it 75, 80. Good. Oh, he's going again. He's got it right downstairs. Oh, nice one, mate. That is a good barramundi. You reckon?
Yeah.
You caught more barrel than me, so you know, eh? Yeah, up there, mate, you're right. Go your way.
Oh, just on 70.
Oh, he looks way bigger than that. That's a crack fish.
Oh. Not a bad one with the well wind. Goes alright. 70 on the dot. Oh, here's another one in there.
Almost fish. Yeah, a couple more snappies, eh? Yeah. That's another.
Oh, he's definitely a different. You can see like the different size of him in there. Oh, that's only a 72.
He's a fat fucker.
He's solid, this one. Nice. Couple of 78. It's pretty good. Watching the shit out of him come. Alright, we'll grab a quick snap and we'll let him go. Gotcha! Just a little one, man.
Oh, you got another one? Oh, you're shipping me. I'm getting some of that stuff. Saying that, dude, look up while I'm doing this. Bloody hell. I'll still be happy with that.
Well, you don't have to worry about me using any more of the RT shots because this one doesn't have a tail now.
Oh, that's good. See you, bye.
Little one? Not bad. Yeah, A+. And I'm only... That'll have a decent enough set of lights.
Oh, even then, like, out there, like, you're not going to see a light. I've tried it, eh? Yeah, you don't see fuck all.
Yeah, I angle mine down so when I can run, I can see what's in front of me at least, like
Yeah,
the next 20, 30 metres in front of me.
Yeah.
That's the main thing sometimes, is just seeing that 20, 30 metres in front of you. Watch out.
Oh, literally, just casted there. Buddy. Get him before we can get the net open. At this point, I'm making a pretty good deckhand of myself. Alright, Cobb, I'm ready. Jump in. Little barrel is for over there.
No, at least I got that 8 on the GoPro.
You lost your plastic though, it's flown away.
Oh no! I think I've got a couple more. This one's only about 60. Wait.
60, but he's giving you a hide. He's going hard. Alright, he's not. He's like, get up and going, bro. Yeah, literally. They got so much power when they want to go. Alright, he's lost his berries again.
Oh. He's 70 on the dot again. Just get you to hold that.
Yeah, no worries, man. Like I said, yeah, cameraman, I'm your man.
Yeah, you got another one. That's a fourth one for today. I think I at least got 8 of this one, which was nice to actually get the GoPro going. But yeah, sweet.